Welcome back. You're watching ACIERO Amsterdam. Today I'm back again on how to care for your Oriental lilies. So Oriental lilies are very beautiful plants and they give you beautiful blooms. But how do you care for them? How do you know what to do? So the Oriental lilies are planted from bulbs. Once those bulbs have bloomed and you finished, they're finished blooming and you want to understand, you want to keep having them in your garden, that's very simple. You just have to cut them a little bit, and then later on next year they will be coming back, and whatever you leave, most of the leafage you leave on it feeds the plant in the winter. So in the winter the plant is dormant in the ground and it's being fed by the leftover green leafage that's been on it. So the leaves, most of the leaves stay on. Don't cut everything down so that it gives nutrients to the bulbs. And when it actually has really dried, you'll see in spring that the lily will start growing up and growing back, and it will also make new bulbs in the ground if it's in the ground, and if it's in the pot it also make new bulbs, but make sure the pot is bigger. So you get more lilies every season because it produces more bulbs and it regrows. One thing you should also understand is the Oriental lilies have pests, and most of these pests are beetles. These pests can be treated with some soap, or you can spray it with a little bit of soap, or you can also buy insecticide spray from your garden center to treat them. Do not think that they will just they'll just stop, because they will eat all your lilies and they will start turning black and you lose the most beautiful flower that you could have in your garden. So, and how do we get them to rebloom? If you want to get them to rebloom, just cut a little bit like I said before and let it there, and then it will feed the plant, and later on next year it will bloom. And if it's in a container, it's better you transfer it in the ground, or if you don't have any space to keep on growing stuff in a container, you don't have ground to put it in and you grow your stuff in a container, just transfer it in a bigger container so that it has more space to produce more bulbs for you. And there we have it, guys, and that was it. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you got some tips and tricks on how to grow or care for your Oriental lilies. And this is ACIERO signing off, and if you're a channel subscriber, thanks for the support. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. Do not forget to check out our online store to purchase something in order to support this channel. And do not forget to like this video, comment and share it. And that was it. See you soon.